Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will continue the friendship, I think, series of logic ways. So we have done the easy mode, medium, and the hard level. So now we will proceed with the expert entitled friendship. Okay, so let's just recap the rules for this puzzle. So it has the classic Sudoku, banatan no? Each row column in 3x3 box. Kay 1 to 9, only once. Next is ang German Whisper, which is ang color red sa puzzle. Again, German Whisper, meaning rana niya kay ang adjacent tawag ni cells kay ang difference nila dapat at least 5. So actually pwede na to na main code diretso no, for example kani siya. So unsa may pwede nga mabutang nimo nga ang difference sa 6 kay 1. 5 day. So wala na may line with 1 ra, diba? Kay 2 obviously 4 ang difference yet. Sa upper side sa 9 ra pinakataas, which is dili ka 5. So we know na 1 day na, and then this one. Okay, what was the unsa pa ito lain? Renban. So Renban is the green line. So again, ang Renban is consecutive numbers but can be arranged in any order. So in this example, so actually taas kayo ang green na line. So this, kung imo siyang ipon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know na 1 to 9 ni siya. kani green, but in any order. Okay? And then ang zipper, again, the sum of the digits in equal distances from the center of the line is equal to the digit in the center of the line. So, taas kayo. But, meaning na, tanawin mo ang center sa zipper line. So, in this, for example, ang center niya is kani. Bas, wala siya sa mark that yellow, for example. And then here, ang center niya kani po. So, ang ingon sa zipper na rule is ang sum sa equal distances. So, for example, kani, this one, and this one, and then this one, and this one. Kung i-add na nimo ang duha, dapat equal sila sa whatever is the number in the center, or which is, in this case, atong gi-highlightan og yellow para kabawta. Mo na center. Okay? So, I guess we can start. So, okay. So, first, right off the bat, ako mangitaan is ang 1. So, dili ang 1. And then, ang 6 is somewhere here. But we know na dili ni siya 6. Again, because same ani nga logic here or pattern. If this is 6, so you are forced man nga 1 ni siya. But na may 1. So, this cannot be 6. Okay, I think it is maybe better to just write down the candidates. So in this square, so 1 ang tapad niya in German Whispers line. So ang possible ani is 7, 8, 9. Okay, na may 6. So 7, 8, 9. Okay, but this is in a zipper. This square is also in a zipper line na dili center. So tungod kay dili siya center, kay bawta nga dili siya pwede 9. Because remember, so obviously ganun tayong 9. So kung let's say 9 ni siya, iyang pares is this one, and you have to put a number. And if muputang ng number, bisag 1 pa na, ang sum nila mahimo ng 10. So which is obviously cannot be. So, this cannot be 9. In fact, in a zipper line, dili gud pwede 9 unless center siya. Pa. Okay, so we know that's 7, 8. And then, if you look at the pair here, niya, so, para makabutang kag valid number sa center, dapat either 1 or 2 ra gid siya. Diba? So if this is 1, this has to be 7 or 8. Either is possible. If this is 2, this is obviously 7. Di ba pwede 8 kaya again 10 naman. And this cannot be 3 other in any case. Okay? So meaning ang sum diri is either 8 or 9. Sure na tana. Okay? So pwede ta mabalik ta sa German whispers. So pinakagamay niya is 7. So we know na ang pinakadako niya 8. So we can, so if this is 8 for example, this has to be 1, 2 or 3. But na naman 1, so this has to be 2 or 3. Okay? And then we continue the pattern. So if this is 2 or 3, pwede 7, 8, 9. Diba? But na naman 8. So 7, 9. And if this is 7 or 9, so ang possible niya is pwede mag-good 9, no? So pwede 1, 2, 3, 4. But na naman 1. We know nga 1 is here. Tungkol sa nani. So it's either 2, 3, 4. Okay. And if this is 2, 3, 4, sorry, 2, 3, 4, so ang dako niya is 7, 8, 9. Diba? So, and then here, more alternate naman siya kung dako niya gamay nga number. So, this should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya pwede mag-good 9 niya. Pinakagamay 4. And again, this has to be 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we can stop there for a moment and think about this square. Asa ang 4. So tungod aning Renban, we know na dili siya pwede 4 diri. So actually nga di na pwede diri, wala man siya sa options. So pwede diri, wala siya sa options. So it's either actually kanirang duha. But this cell cannot be 4. Nga naman kay imagine this is 4. So because it's in a German whispers line, kung 4 ni siya, mapugusta nga 9 ang iyang tapad. But you cannot put 9, 2 9s in a square, diba? Or in a box. So this cannot be 4. And so this is 4. And in this square, duha na lang po ng 4. Kani. I don't know yet, but should be able to figure that out later. Okay. So let's proceed here. So 6, 7, 8, 9 ang tapad niya. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 gihapon. Sama to. Ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang kani, same ra gihapon. 6, 7, 8, 9. Diri would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Diba? And this is 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. um di ni pwede 4 cause the same reason nga itong gamit diri kanina. Kay kung ma 9 og 9 cannot be in a same line. Um, mm-hmm. Ngita pa ko say asa ta pwede mo input ani pause ta kanali. Okay. Okay. I think in this cell, dili ni siya pwede 3. So, ang reason na kay, kung 3 ni siya, so this square is either 8 or 9, and this square has to be 8 or 9, so kay, because of the German whisper niya. In any case, kung 3 ni siya niya, 8, 9 ni siya, or 9, 8, dili nakakabutang ng number dili. Diba? Wala kay choice. So, kay ma 8, 9 man or 9, 8. So, wala kay number mo tanda dili. So, di siya pwede 3. And this is important kay we know na pair naman ni siya 1, 2, or 2, 1. So, this cannot be 1, 2. And because this cannot be 1, 2, ato na ni ma-eliminate. Makagapagam yan na to. I think, din ni siya, kung 4 na lang ni siya. Din ni pwede 6, 7. And kanina said pwede 6, 7. Diba? Okay? So, and then, pair na said ni siya, 8 or 9, or 9 or 8. Diba? In this line. So, this cannot be 8 or 9. Either way. So, this has to be 7. And because this is 7, this cannot be 3 or 4. So, 2 na lang. 4 is this one. No option. 3. This is cannot be 7 because it's 3. So, it should be 8. 8 is here. Okay. So, remember sa zipper again. So, 8 ni siya. Ayan pa is 3. So, smallest na lang 1. So, we're forced na 9 ni siya. This is 2. We're nabilin. Cannot be 6 because this is 2. So, 8. This is 8. This is 8. 8 is here. In this box, 8 is here. 8 is here. 8. Okay. So, it has to be here. It cannot be here. So, 8. And then, 8. 8 plus 9. Cannot be 3. Because, cannot be 4. Sorry. Kay 8 man yan. Kung 4 ni, 4 ay friends. So, force nga 3 ni siya. So, in this box, we only are left with 3, 5, and 6. Yep, that is correct. 3, 5, and 6. Cannot be 3. Okay. So, and I think magamit ang Renba na ni. So, kani siya, again, if you count this is 9 cells, so which corresponds to 1 to 9. So, nanaman tayo 9 in the line, nanap tayo 4, nanap tayo 9, nanap tayo 4, nanap tayo 3, 5, 6. Because sure, matanga naragid ka. So, ang kuwang na lang is 1, 2, 7, 8. 1 to 7, 8. This one cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 8. So, 7. And so 1 to 8. This can be 8, can't be 8 because of this. So, this has to be 8. This is 1, 2, can't be 1. So, 2, 1, and this is 3. And this zipper na nataaning duha. So, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is here. This one cannot be 7 because this is 3. So, force nga 9 na siya. So, 9 na siya. 9 siya. 9. So, 9. 9. Again, we know na center of a zipper can't be a 9. So, pwede. So, either, this one pwede. So, 9 na siya. And this is 9. And this is 9. Okay. So 6 can be 6. This can be 6. 6. This can be 6. No, but actually, this cannot be 6, okay? If this is 6, don't kinani siya aning zipper. So, 9 ang sum. So, this has to be 3, but this cannot be 3 because of this. So, din siya 6. So, 6 na siya. Three. 3. Oh, 1 naman lang din eh. Sa kaning so 1 is 1. 1 can't be 1. Can't be 1. So 1. 6. 6. So this can't be 6. Okay, kung 6 ni siya, good, mas 6 ni siya. And then 6 ni siya, 6 ni siya. So, hindi siya pwede. Okay, 2 naman lang ni. Kuha nga ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Two, 4, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 7. I'm just nagtanaw ako sa mga kuwang. 4, 4, 5. Sure, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5. Ay, di ba? So, hmm. Hmm. Okay. Kung wala pa sure, but so in the zipper, sa kaninga pair, is cannot be 1 or, so diba samang 9, so it cannot be 1/8. Kay kani siya palang square na may 1/8. It cannot be 2/7, excuse me, because same thing, so nanay 2, nanay 7. Cannot be 3/6 as well, because nanay 3 niya na put 6. So kaning pair is either 4 and 5 gina siya. And because nga 4 and 5 na siya, we know this is 2 and 7, 2, 7 na kay so check lang na to kung yeah, okay, kay so first, so kaning is can be 1/8 because both cells na siya 8 kita man, so wakay kang butangan. Kung 3/6 sad siya, same thing, kani pa lang daanan na 3 o 6, so dili pwede. Kung 4/5 sad siya, di gyapon pwede kay remember kung tungod kay na determine na to nga pair ni, kung 4 ni siya, 5 ni siya, so wakay kabutangan diha either way. So ang nabili nga combination is 2, 7 para makasam kag 9, but na naman ni 7, so short nga 2, short nga 7. And because this cell also belongs to this zipper, and 9 po ang sum, so 7 po ni siya. And this is 7, this is 7, 7, so 7, 7. Okay. I think yeah, so same thing kani, I think ma-determine na ni siya po kay 9 ang sum no niya. Again, we'll follow the same logic kanina. It cannot be 1/8 because kita na daan ang 8 na siya 8, na siya 8. Kung ari po kas 2, 7, di ni pwede 7, tunguna ni pwede 7, so wakay kang butangan. Kung ari kas 4, 5, kung 4 ni siya, 5 ni siya, wala po kay kabutang diri. Nya 4, 5 naman ang option. In any case, so kung 5 ni 4 mao gihapon. So 3, 6 lang nabili na combination na pair, but this cannot be 3. So 6 ta ni, and this is 3. And then in this line nanay 4, so 5, 4, ayang pair is 5, 3. Ang kuwang ani kay 1, nanay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kuwang ani 2, and 4, but 4, so 2, 4, 3, kuha nga ni nga row is 2, 5, 7. So, nga kuha nga ni kay 4. This is 3. This is 5. This is 6. Ang kuha nga ni nga column is 3, I think. Ang kuha nga ni 3 is 4, but nanay 4, so 8, 4, 8, kani 2, 3, ano naman tayo 1, so kuha nga ni kay 6, this one guys should be 4 and a 5, so 4 and a 5, 1. This can't be 2 because Renban yan na may 2 dire, so 3 na siya. 2, 7, 7, kuha nga ni 3, 7, 2, 5, so 5, 2, 5, 2, kuha nga ni kay 4, nalani 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, 2, 5, 6, and 5. Okay. Was expert level, and this is the final puzzle. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one.